In this video, I will show you how you can show or hide the www.com key on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Layout. Now on this page, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option for www and .com key. Now just enable this toggle, and after you do that, you will add the www.com key to the keyboard of your Samsung phone. As you can see, if I open the web browser app on my Samsung phone, I can just tap on www. After that, the button will shift to .com. As you can see, if I enter the name of the website, then I can just enter .com, just like that. Now to disable this button, just go back to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General Management and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now just scroll down and tap on Layout, and on this page, just disable the toggle for www. and .com key. And after you disable this toggle, the www. Key will be disabled on the keyboard of your Samsung phone, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.